So the protocol that actually makes everything we've talked about work and makes it understandable to computers is something called IP, stands for Internet Protocol. And all of the computers on the internet speak the same Internet Protocol so that they can all talk to each other and forward packets and send and receive packets. So this is the way that we actually implement all of the things that we've been talking about. So for example, IP specifies how you encode the source of a packet into ones and zeros. How do you say that the packet is from you? IP tells you how to do that. And how do you specify who the packet is being sent to? IP also tells you how to do that. So this is a protocol that helps you specify things like that. It can also help you specify things like how a router needs to forward a packet. All of that can be encapsulated in IP. Now, because we need global addressing, we'll also introduce the notion of an IP address. And this is an address that uniquely identifies a device on the internet. You might have already seen one of these before. They used to be 32 bits long, so it'd be 4 of these numbers connected with dots. And then eventually, they ran out of these addresses. So nowadays, they've started to use IPv6 addresses, which is the same thing. They're just longer, 128 bits instead of 32 bits. But these are the addresses that identify computers on the internet. Now, for now, you can think of them as just being unique. Everyone has a totally unique IP address. Technically, that's not 100% true, and you have to be more precise and say that they're unique from any perspective. But for now, we're not going to get into that. We'll just say that everyone's IP address is unique for now. And IP addresses can also be used to decide where to forward the packet. So even though you and I as humans can't see it, somewhere in this number, a router can deduce that this computer with this particular IP address must be in this direction, or behind me. So somehow this number encodes where the computer is located so that we can send the packet in the correct direction. Even though you and I can't parse this number, a router or a computer would be able to parse this number and try to figure out where this computer is located.